Oh. Oh. Woo! That's cool. Bleh. Hey guys, welcome to Will It Slime.
Welcome to Will It Slime. Welcome to Will It Slime.
Welcome to Will It Slime.
Today we're making magnetic slime. What?
What?
Today we're making magnetic slime. We're using a recipe from our book, Slime Sorcery, which, ta-da, look, there's y'all's faces on the cover of that book. How cool is that?
Let me see. That is what we are making.
That's right, that's the recipe we're making right there. On page 112 is the recipe we're making. So, but we're not gonna make the recipe quite like we have it in the book, because we're gonna make a giant size. You can find Slime Sorcery in bookstores everywhere or online. Be sure to check it out. The first thing we need for our magnetic slime is a gallon of glue, which Riley has. Riley, you wanna pour that gallon of glue in for us? Squeeze it.
I got it.
Squeeze it. Help you. Oh. Oh, now that we've got our glue in our tub, our next thing is we've got to create an activator. And for our activator, contact lens solution and baking soda. Keep going. Keep going. There you go. 3 days later.
Thing in there.
Okay, let's stop right there and let's see where we get to. Keep on mixing.
3 days later.
Now our next ingredient is black iron oxide. And I'm gonna pour some of this in, and this is what's gonna make our slime magnetic.
Can I stir it? Can I feel it?
No, don't get that on you. You wanna be careful with this stuff because this will stain.
Looks like Oreos.
It does, looks like
Oreos.
Oreo ice cream. Or
Cake!
yeah, or what's the other thing?
Dirt cake.
It's like a blizzard.
Yeah.
Oreo blizzard. We're gonna add our activator, and let's let. Okay. You add a little bit. You add a little bit. Okay, let's see how that does. Okay, Madison, you want to add some more? Okay, go ahead. Okay, let's stop right there, and let's see where it comes to. Ooh, look at that. That's why you gotta be careful with this stuff. Look at this.
It looks like paint.
Our magnetic slime has come together. And we've got a giant slime monster here. You ready to dump it out? Let's dump it out. Go ahead. All right. Look at that.
It's in my way now.
Ooh, it's alive. Now that our slime is complete, all you need is a rare earth magnet. You can find these online. They're not really that rare. You can actually find them at a craft store. But a regular magnet's not really quite strong enough. But a rare earth magnet will bring your slime to life. Hey guys, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Will It Slime and hit the notifications bell so that you never miss another new video. It's going for your magnet.
I can't get to the magnetic slime with the magnet. I can't get to it.
Eating your little fingers. Magnet number 2. One thing you have to be careful of is if you have 2 of these magnets, you can't let them get close to each other, because I'll show you what happens in a minute when you get 2 of these close. You can lose a finger. Oh.
look.
Ooh, look at that. Look.
Oh, there's another bubble.
That's cool. Look at it eating it. Look at that camera.
It looks like it's rusting.
That's cool. Be sure to leave a comment to let us know, did you like this slime? What do you think about magnetic slime? This is my favorite slime. Let us know what your favorite slime is in the comments. Okay guys, let me show you real quick. So I got 2 of these magnets and I'm gonna show you why you don't put them together. You gotta be very careful because you will, I'm kind of nervous about doing this.
Don't do it, don't do it.
Don't do it. Watch this, I'm gonna keep them in my hands. Yeah. I've got the sides that are like opposing. They won't let me put my hands together. Let me see. I'm gonna drop them. I'm gonna drop them into the magnet. And I'll show you, like if your fingers get between them, it could really hurt you. Just chipped off a... Woo!
Just chipped off a side of it.
That's crazy. That is why you don't really want to have 2 of these. So you can see there, we actually broke the magnet. Oh no, I broke both of them. That's why you don't really, these are like almost impossible. I can't even tear them apart. That's strong. It's eating your hand.
Gotta cover the whole thing.
It's eating your hand, your tiny little fingers. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time on Will It Slime. See ya!